Hey y'all, it's me, Kalila. So, I am glad y'all came to help me take my locks out. I appreciate y'all, but I ain't gonna need no help, y'all. I'm only taking out two. So, yeah. I'm taking out two locks, y'all, that I hate. So, I still don't know if I'm gonna take them out. Don't ask me, okay? I don't know yet. I don't know. But no, if I do take them out, though, it will probably be in the winter sometime. Okay. But I'm taking out two locks today, maybe a third. Two that I absolutely hate that have irked me since I repaired them. They were two locks I had to repair when I had the faux locks, the damage from the faux locks. They feel lumpy and not like I just be sitting here like this or whenever. I always feel them because I do like this all the time. So, two locks that I absolutely hate. There's one. Pop right on out for me. And it's very close to it. Where the other one at? There it is. I think that's it. Yep. Okay. So those two locks I had to repair because they were super thin when I got the damage. So basically, it was just a regular lock and it was super thin. So I took some of this half, folded it up, and used like one of those repair needles or the instant lock needle that you knead in. And that's what I was doing. I was kneading in and twisting, kneading in and twisting. And that's pretty much how it ends up looking like this. Well, mine anyway. This is how mine end up looking. I don't like using that needle. It hurts. It may be easier if I was using it on someone else. I don't know. Don't like it. Won't use it again. So this is what they are looking like. I don't like them. I saved them because at that time they were way shorter anyway. So I was trying to save it from really like breaking off. So when I take these out, all of this is probably going to fall out and I'm going to end up with a short lock, which I'm okay with. And then the possible third is over here. Ooh, yep, that's it. It's pretty much on its last leg, y'all. It is super thin. It just keeps kind of stretching. And when I'm pulling it in ponytails or anything like that, it just makes me more nervous. So I don't know. I might just cut this piece off, or I'm gonna actually take it all the way out and just start it over. I don't really know yet, but that's the possible. But for sure, I'm taking these out, and so to take them out, I'm going to use my little needle that came with my Cricut. And I have a couple of combs. I don't know if I'm going to need them. And then I'm just going to use some oil. I'm going to put a lot of oil on it, try to make it soft and a little smoother, I guess, to take out. I'm not going to wet or anything like that. So we'll see what happens. So let's tie my hair back, get it out the way. And I'm going to use one of these. Y'all, if y'all ain't got one of these, y'all better get you one. I see the hype. When I used this the other day, I used it to clean and get my hair out the way. And I was like, okay, now I see why everybody's using them. They super lightweight. Like, it don't hurt. It don't feel tight. And, it does its job. It keeps the hair out the way. So, all right, so we're going to pull them back. And then this I am going to just clip. Bam. And so, let's get started, y'all. so that is it for that one. Ain't nothing left but my flat twist, my coil, or whatever, for my retwist. So pretty much all of that fell out. All of that one fell out. Let's do this one. Okay, so from this one, this is what fell out. So there they are. Nothing left but the coil, which I'm gonna probably end up combing all the way out and retwisting when I do the retwist next weekend. I'll be doing a retwist and some color. So now I'll make that a video as well, probably a 2-part, one for the twist, one for the color. And so that's it. So at least now I have a little growth and I'm okay. I don't know, I might even cut that. Now as for this one, I think I'm gonna just cut that little end off. Bam. So I just wanted to share with y'all that I was taking those two out, and that's pretty much it, y'all. I knew it was gonna take all of that hair out. And I feel like if I take my locks out, to be honest, that's going to happen to pretty much all of them because of the damage from the faux locks. I feel like I'm already lose a lot of hair just from taking out locks, but I really feel like I'm gonna lose even a lot more. So I don't really know, but I did want to take them out. I'm so glad I don't have that lump. It feels so much better and smoother. And so I will see y'all next week when I'm doing my retwist and my color. So let me know in the comments what color y'all think is gonna be, or what color y'all think it should be. What color y'all think I should do? Y'all know I love my black, my blue black. Is it blue black? It ain't blue black no more, or jet black no more. But alright, y'all, thanks for coming with me to take out my 2 locks. I will see y'all in the next video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And till next time, bye.